I'm Judy Shaw for NYC Floor Talk. Joining me today is Jeff Lipson. He is President and CEO at HASI. Jeff, it's wonderful to have you here today. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having us on.
So Jeff, 10th anniversary of listing. What an amazing milestone. And you're ringing the closing bell today to celebrate.
It's a great thrill to be ringing the closing bell on behalf of our whole team. We're very proud to be here, and it's amazing to celebrate our 10th anniversary right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.
Great. So now, Jeff, you became the first U.S. public company dedicated to investing in climate solutions. What's your investment strategy, and how have you delivered on your mission over the past decade?
So we like to think of our business in terms of climate, clients, and assets. So as you said, we're an exclusively climate positive investor, and we measure and report on the impact of every investment we make, which gives us tremendous credibility on that point. Clients, in that we source our business by partnering with the largest energy and infrastructure companies in the world and acting as their strategic partner, and that's how we build our clients. And then assets, we invest at the asset level, not in companies or platforms, and investing at the asset level creates a much more stable, predictable, and lower risk business model.
Okay, so you had your first investor day last month.
Yep.
What was your message about your business, and how do you think it was received?
We had our very first investor day on March 21st, and it was extremely well received. We had great attendance, we've had great feedback. We were able to really simplify the story. We do have what some deem a complex business model, and our simplification description really resonated with our investors. It was also very successful in that we had 11 members of our executive team speak, and the depth of our management team is a true strength of our business. And then we had the opportunity to talk about some of the new asset classes that we're investing in, and to just talk about our business in much more detail. So it's been well received, and our stock's up since the investor day, and we're very pleased with how it came out.
All right, now you have a large portfolio of renewable energy projects in the electricity sector. Are there any sectors beyond power generation that you're looking at?
Good question. We've built a $10 billion business almost exclusively in the electricity sector. And electricity is only responsible for about 25% of carbon emissions. So we have enormous opportunity in other areas. And we've built a team to focus on some new areas. And we've had good traction already. We've closed a transaction in renewable natural gas. We've closed a transaction in fleet decarbonization in the transportation sector. And we will continue to explore other asset classes. They will have proven technologies and very similar attributes and similar risk profile to what we've invested in the past, but it's a tremendous incremental opportunity for the company.
All right, now tell me, how is HASI different from other companies that are in this space?
So we're a very unique and differentiated company. There's virtually no other companies that have the level of diversity of the asset classes in which we invest, that have the client relationships that we have, that are exclusively climate positive, and that invest at the asset level to create a very predictable business. So we have virtually no peers, and we present a very unique value proposition to investors who want to invest in a low-risk way in the energy transition.
All right, well, Jeff, thanks for joining me on Floor Talk, and congratulations on 10 years of listing on the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you so much, Judy.